get our portfolio section going, which is kind of the bulk of our website. So over on the left, you can click on the word portfolio. If you do, it'll just take you to this blank page, or you can click add over on the right, or add new project here. When we do that, it actually looks very much the same as creating a new page. So for fun, we're just going to call this project 1. Now, when you think of a portfolio, you think you're going to be showcasing some work. You're going to be putting your photos up here from all your different projects. In order for us to do that, we actually have to upload our photos to what we call a media library. So there's this nice plus sign here. When you hover your mouse over top, it says insert content. So we're going to do that. Give that a click. And it says you don't have any media. So we'll click the blue button that says upload media. And this is going to take you to a section where you'll be able to choose your photos. Now for me, I actually saved some photos in a folder just to show this as an example. But for you, you might be doing this off of your SD card of your camera or a USB if you've got some photos saved there. And you can do this anytime you're ready to upload photos. So you can select one individually. If you want to select more than one, you can hold the command key on your keyboard and you can click whichever ones you want. If you want to do all of them at once, you can hold the shift key and click on the last photo. So start at the top and then hold shift and click at the bottom and you'll get them all. We're going to go ahead and click choose, and now it'll upload all those photos. The great thing about this is once you've uploaded them, they're actually saved for you through WordPress's website on their server. So this is just one extra spot that you can have a copy of your photo. Don't rely on this though. You should definitely be saving them on your own USB stick, maybe even on your computer at home. And if you have your own SD card, you can keep a copy there as well. One other spot that I should mention that would be great for you to save them in is your student folder on the network. But make sure that you've got at least 2 spots where your photos are saved, aside from this WordPress website. So now that they're all uploaded, I'm going to click continue on the bottom right. And it actually gave me the choice right away to insert all these photos. Let's see if I can just get rid of some of them. Yeah, if I click on the edit button here, it actually allows me to remove some of the pictures. So I'll just take a few off. Let's just keep those 3 for fun. And then we'll go and click insert at the bottom corner here. Great, so there's my first project. I've got 3 pictures, and there's one other thing that we have to do. In order for us to make sure that these portfolio sites are nice and organized, over on the right-hand side, you're going to notice a few options that you can adjust for the specific project that's in your portfolio. One thing that is important for you and for your teachers as well is to choose a featured image for each project. So once you've uploaded photos to your media library, if you click on featured image, you can set a featured image. Pick whichever one you think represents that project the best. So I've highlighted these tulips here and there's a little check mark, so I'll click featured image. And now, with the different ways that this project is going to be displayed, this image will actually show up and it'll be easy for you to tell which project is which. The one other thing we need to do is tag our project. This is going to be a really easy thing that helps us stay nice and organized. So over on the right-hand side above the image options, you can click on project tags, and there's only 3 tags that you really need to use for this whole year in your photography class. For all the projects that you do in term 1, you have to tag them term 1. So just type in term 1, upper lowercase, doesn't matter, and hit return. And that's like enter on your keyboard. Once you've got it tagged, it shows up in the gray box, then you've been successful, and all you have to do is click the publish button. So over on the top right corner, there's publish. This is almost like clicking save, but it actually does make it live to your site. If you'd prefer to preview it first, you can do that. Or over on the left-hand side, there's a little tiny save button. But I think the habit for most people is to probably publish right away. So I'm going to click that. Great, now my project is published. So if we scroll down a little bit, you can see how it's displayed my photos. There's also the option for us, and you might have noticed when we were creating this project, to type a description. So for lots of your photography assignments, you'll be writing descriptions for them. But overall, it's kind of laid it out quite nicely here.